The past perfect question form. We have two sentences. The question is going to be the next way. The affirmative sentence is Liz had traveled to Spain when she finished school. Liz had traveled to Spain when she finished school. Question should be like this. Had Liz traveled to Spain when she finished school? And the question mark at the end of the sentence. So that way we have our question. Had Liz traveled to Spain when she finished school? The answer is yes, she had. Okay, first she traveled to Spain and then she finished school. Question number 2. John had finished preparing dinner when the storm started. The question form should be had John finished preparing dinner when the storm started? And the question mark. The answer is yes, he had. Of course, he had. He finished preparing dinner at 6. The storm started at 8. Example number 3. The question is, well, the affirmative sentence is Liz had finished school when she traveled to Spain. The question is, had Liz finished school when she traveled to Spain? And the answer is no, she hadn't. She hadn't finished school when she traveled to Spain. Okay? Number 4 and last question. Our affirmative sentence is the storm had started when John finished preparing dinner. The question is, had the storm started when John finished preparing dinner? And question mark. We have the answer no, it hadn't. No, it hadn't. It, because we refer to the storm. So the answer is no, it hadn't. Okay, so that's all, my dear friends. That's all, my dear friends. See you in the next video. Don't forget to click there where the arrow points to watch next video. See you later.